Okay, now we'll look at the next set of examples where we'll be asked to find the value of the angle theta when given a trigo ratio. So I've got 3 examples here. So the task right now is to find the value of the angle theta in degrees. So please make sure that you have got your calculator ready with you, and your very first check is to ensure that your calculator is in degree mode. Okay, so with that we're all ready. Okay, now let's look at the first example. Given that sine theta equals to 0.1, in order for us to solve for the angle theta, we will take the inverse function of sine. So meaning to say, theta will actually be equals to sine inverse of 0.1. Okay, so how do I press the sine inverse button in my calculator? Okay, so let me write this down. To find angle theta, okay, we use the inverse function key. Okay, so right now I'm going to teach you how to press the calculator to get this theta value. Okay, so I'm going to draw the calculator buttons here. So make sure you follow through. Okay, so the very first button you need to press is your second function button. Okay, your yellow little button. And after which, press your sine inverse. Okay, of 0.1, so don't forget to insert your brackets. 0.1, and I'm going to close my brackets now. Okay, and you're ready to press your equal button to get the value of theta. Okay, and you should get a value of theta to be 5.7. Okay, now remember, when you're finding an angle, the value of an angle, if let's say the value of the angle is not exact, always leave your answer corrected to 1 decimal place and don't forget your units. Okay, so this is being corrected to 1 decimal place where theta is 5.7 degrees. Okay, so pause this video. I'll leave the remaining example 2 and 3 for you to try it out on your calculator. Okay, and I'll show the buttons on the calculators in a while for you to check your answer. Okay, are you done? Okay, it's time for you to check your own working. Okay. So these are the buttons that you should be pressing on your calculator. And these are all the values. Okay. 3 things for you to take note. First, make sure that your calculator is set to degree mode. Second thing is, when you're finding an unknown angle, always leave your answer corrected to 1 decimal place if your final answer it's not exact. And the third thing you need to take note of is to always include your units. In this case, we're talking about degrees, so please include your degree sign. Okay, with that, you're now all ready to complete the next task, which is the worksheet titled Values of Trigonometric Ratios.